Hi, good evening, friends. Hope all of you are doing great. So, previous week it was a severe attack by bears, and bears dragged the market down to the levels which were last seen in June. And Nifty closed 2.5% lower, and it was a very severe fall in the previous week. So now let's strategize. Let's see what we had predicted for previous week and what are the actions for next week. So in the coming week there will be Fed meeting, FOMC meeting outcomes in which Jerome Powell will give his commentary on whether the rate hike is there, what is the development, and then Israel and Hamas terrorist, that war is still continuing, and crude and bond yields. So there, all the US macros, they are posing a pain for us. So on Friday there was some recovery, which was the good part, but the last 4 days, the selling was severe. The market sentiment is cautious, and we are all the traders. We are monitoring the developments, how it is happening in Asia, what is the economic data. Reliance came out with good results, which are the good part. Reliance results were in line, and there will be some prominent like State Bank and Larsen Toubro, Tata Motors. They will be also declaring their results next week, so we have to watch out for that. Fed commentary, corporate results, war, and then bond yield. So these are the things which one has to keep in mind. For the previous week, we wanted to take this iron condor trade, which is a risk defined trade, and wanted to buy 19200, sell 19300 call, buy 19900 put, sell 19800 put, and range was 19280 to 19820, which is a wide range. But if our stop loss was definitely hit on the lower side, because from 19541 Nifty came, and on Thursday I think the low was somewhere around 18820 or 830. So yeah, our strategy did not work. Our stop loss got breached, and let's strategize for next week and see what can be done. Opening the Nifty chart. So there was some good recovery on Friday. Nifty went and closed 1% higher. Analyzing first at a monthly level. Yeah, so month is still in progress. On Tuesday the monthly candle will come to a close, so we still have 2 more days left, Monday and Tuesday, for this monthly candle to close. MACD and RSI both indicating like so MACD at a monthly level, bearish divergence, bearish crossover. RSI has fallen from the levels of 69 to somewhere around 60. So strength has also decreased at a monthly level. Yeah, 68.69 to 70, 60. Yeah, at a weekly level these are the levels which are marked. So Nifty has given a very poor closing in the previous week. The low was somewhere around 18837, and closed around more than 19,000. So next week will remain volatile, and we can see at a weekly level MACD indicating negative trend. So because MACD line has crossed signal line and going below that, and RSI from the level of more than 72, RSI has fallen to the levels of 48. That means weakness at higher levels, strength totally gone at weekly levels. So all this thing, MACD, RSI, these are indicating that time, like we have to remain cautious. and we have to see where the next week is closing. That is very critical. So what is the strategy which you wanted to deploy for next week? So the strategy which I'm planning to deploy for next week is this one. So I will sell 9th November. So next week's expiry is 2nd November. So next to next week, like 9th November expiry, it has some premium of 18,700. I will hedge it by buying 18,500 put. So here we can see like our break-even point will be somewhere around. Sorry. So here we see our break-even point somewhere around 18,680, which I feel is not likely to be closing in next week, because our short-term bottom is somewhere around 18,830. So keeping this in mind, I have taken a bullish trade for next week. So Monday market can open gap down because Dow Jones fell severely on Friday. So my plan is to take this trade. I'll sell 18,700 put of next week expiry 9th November and hedge it by buying 18,500 put. And stop loss for this trade, I'll get like 3.38%, 3.4%. It is for 2 weeks. So for 1 week, if we get more than 1%, 1.2%, we can close this trade easily. Stop loss will be if Nifty closes below 18,750. Nifty 5 minutes candle. If 5 minutes of Nifty candle closes below 18,750, then we will definitely close this trade and get out, because our stop loss will be breached. Now let's check at a daily level. Yeah, at a daily level we can see I had marked all these gaps, and we see that Nifty in the severe fall from 17th of October, Tuesday, like 2 weeks of severe fall. All the gaps, this gap is partially filled. If this gap we can see this is yet to be filled. So if this gap gets filled, that is better. MACD is also at a daily level. RSI crossed below 30. So if RSI closes below 30, so it is a very good time to invest and put lump sum in index fund. RSI came below 30 and recovered. MACD showing strong bearish out. So if Nifty closes below this 18,680 level, which is a gap, so then Nifty can, so this is the next support, which is 18,600, which is the level which your last like the high was crossed around October or September of 2021. So almost after 2 years we are almost at the same level. So Nifty has not given any return. So these are generally good times to invest, because when the return will come, it will come in bulk. So no need to fear. Taken a bullish trade. If stop loss breaches, one can definitely square off the position, and one can definitely plan for investing if Nifty closes below 18,750 or 18,680. That is the level for investing. Thank you all.